Hello, GCC students. Welcome to the spring semester and your Healthful Living HES 100 course. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I am going to be your instructor for the duration of this course. This course technically starts on Monday, February 7th. You're welcome to start the course before then in the next couple of days. That's why I'm opening it early, but you don't have to officially start until the 7th. We do have your first task, which is due by Thursday, so please make sure that you get in and get started with the course. So purpose of this video is just to welcome you to class and also show you the layout of Canvas and highlight on a few important topics. So first thing, if you haven't taken an online course before, please use this help button over here in the Canvas guides for more information on how to kind of move through Canvas, all of kind of the basics, okay? Other really important thing over here on your left-hand side is the inbox. That's your first task. I'm asking you to send me a message in Canvas. That's the best way to communicate with me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns throughout the week, just send me a message in Canvas in the inbox right over here, and I will get back to you usually within 24 hours. Generally, I'm pretty quick. I usually check my messages several times throughout the day. So if you don't hear back from me within 24 hours, please resend the message and assume that either I didn't get it or I thought I responded and maybe hadn't. Something happened. I do technically have 24 to 48 hours to respond, but generally I'll be much faster than that in responding to messages. So your first task by Thursday is to click on the inbox button and send me over a message. Okay. Other important features of Canvas, when you get into the course, this is how it will look. So the recent announcements will be posted here for you. I will post a weekly announcement letting you know what the module is that we're working on, things like that. I'll also post updates pretty regularly with usually 3 or 4 announcements a week. So please make sure you're checking the announcements. These may be things that pertain to the course, and they also may be things that pertain to the campus community. So first thing you're going to do when you get into Canvas, go ahead and send me that message. But if you go over to your modules, you will notice that the first module is the orientation module. You have the welcome video, which is posted here, getting comfortable with Canvas, the course syllabus, some other tips on how to get a good grade within Canvas. Your first task, which is again due by Thursday, is that instructor message. So you click here for more information on that, and then an orientation quiz. Please do not take the orientation quiz until you have read through the course syllabus. Course syllabus will be posted here, so you can click there, or you can click over here. When you click to see your syllabus, the PDF version is downloadable here. And then in your course summary, these are just the due dates of the assignments within the class. Those may change throughout the semester. But once you click on get your PDF of your syllabus, this is what we'll download for you. Some key notes on the syllabus. This is an online only course, which means you need to be active every single week in the course. Being active means you need to take quizzes, turn in assignments, all of the kind of the projects that we're working on with class. If you're not active for a week, you do risk being withdrawn from the course. I will communicate with you, and if you're having an issue, please communicate with me. That's really important. I do not accept late work in this course. This is very fast-paced, so I do ask that you stay on top of the coursework and stay on task every week. Our course does end on May 12th. And other important, the core competencies, all other things are listed here for you on your syllabus. Please make sure you read that before you go back and take the quiz, that first orientation module quiz. Once you complete the orientation module, week number 1 module will open for you, and it'll be posted here. So again, this is locked until all of this orientation module is complete. Okay. Big things, I also open the modules on Monday morning. So modules will get open first thing Monday morning, and they will be open through Sunday evening. You do generally have assignments that will be due by Wednesday. So please get in early, do the reading, take the quiz. Usually that's the first thing that's due. And then other assignments that'll be due either Wednesday or Friday or Sunday. Usually those are typically the due dates, but every week kind of changes. I look forward to working with all of you this semester. Again, if you guys have any questions or need any help, best way to reach me is over here with that inbox. And here's to a great semester.